minutes long, and it didn't quit. It just didn't. I edited and everything, it wouldn't go. Nothing. So instead I'm just gonna do this. So if you remember, we're still on the solar system, and we're on Mars. We're pretty close to the afterlife. I don't know what this is. So I think that's where we are. Well, let's see. I remember I was still doing this now. No, still no. My throat kind of hurts right now, but still gonna record a video. I need to. Yeah, I'm very sick. Man, that hurts so bad. It doesn't matter. Oh man, how did I miss? How do I move this? I'll just put it here. Like literally right in front of the screen. Just right in front of it. Just an eyesore. I'll put it here, covering the high score and everything, because I still have to use the podcast. And it's on a phone, so we can't really change that. Boom! I have no idea why I missed that. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is I don't know how to beat this one. I don't know how to get the 3 stars. Yeah, see? I don't know how to beat this one. What I mean? I have no idea. You know what? I'm just gonna move on from this one. Let's go to the afterlife. Big dude. Green dude. Big green dude. Whoa. Okay. That's really not normal to me because it's a straight line now. It's kind of weird. I've been so used to gravity, now it's just a straight line. That helped a lot. Did those dudes do anything? Hold on, did they do anything? Wait, I don't think they did. They were just like, how did I miss that? I don't know why I missed that. Oh, I'm an idiot. That's what they do. Well, I saw it. I need to get like right there and shoot up. Oh my goodness, am I just the unluckiest person in the world? Did you see that? Did you see that? What kind of shot was that? Seriously, how did I miss that? How? Blow up. Please blow up. No, don't blow up. Stupid. There we go. Now I blew up. Finally. Why? Why? I think I'm just gonna come here and do like a clean shot through. That was too clean. Hey! Double kill. Alright, so I think I'm gonna hit this rock. Hit him! Hit him! Hit him! Oh, come on! You're right there. I think you're not supposed to stop in space. The game's unrealistic. Oh, my goodness. Alright, let me hit this one. I think I did it. Yeah, I'm just gonna get 1 star in this one. I don't care. I'm gonna run each and every one of these people first. Ooh! Oh, that seems really good. That seems really, really good. So let's see what's on this level. Ooh, there's 2 things. So what? Oh my gosh, they're gravity. I don't think I can shoot around that one. That's some strong gravity pull right there. Huh. I was gonna do like a trick shot to get around that and hit like all of them like in one lane, but that's some strong gravity right there. I don't think I can do that. Oh man, that's really strong. How strong is the gravity pull on this one? Oh, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's really hard to do. Oh, I'm gonna hit this right there. Oh, come on. That don't hit him. Oh! Oh, that was a good one. Yes, that was a good one. You're going in, buddy. You're going in. Boom! Oh boy. I am not using a space egg. Alright, let's see. Right there. Boom! Oh man, why can't you last longer? There we go. Boom! Now go right into this crevice right here. And fire! Please go in. I hate you. Go right there. Fire! That's a good hit. I got you, gravity. Boom! Go right here. Boom! Yes! Oh my goodness, a perfect hit! Now just watch that go in. Yes! Woo! Oh man, that was perfect! 3 stars! 3 stars! planet. Oh, really? Alright. How about we do this? Yes. Yes. Come on, Rock. Hit him. Hit him, Rock. It was right there. I mean, come on. How am I supposed to hit this? Wait, how am I supposed to hit them? Dude, that was a good shot. But how am I supposed to hit him? Doesn't make no sense. What the heck? Yes! Oh my goodness, that was a trick shot and a half. Okay, now I know what I need to do for the next time. Goodness, man. That was powerful. Alright. I think I can hit this. Right. No! Yes! It's all of them. No, you can't tell me there's more. Are you kidding me? No! Get out of here! Oh my goodness! You probably cost me 3 stars. You cost me freaking 2 stars! Why didn't you die? Why? So I got a couple of pigs in the asteroid belt. What is that right there? I want to shoot that. And what is that? What the heck is that? Is that like a pig asteroid? What is that? What is that? Alright. Okay, so my best bet is the explode thing. Right in there. There we go. You know, everything's supposed to be pulled by the sun. Ooh, that was a good one. Goodbye, piggy. No. No, you are going to die today. Thank goodness. One star. Alright. Oh, come on. Really? You're gonna do me like this? What is this? strong gravitational pull. No, it's a weird gravitational pull. Oh no. Oh no. I was trying to scratch my eye. That was bad. Alright, how about this? Boom! Oh boy. That kill though. Alright, how about this? I'll hit ya. Wait, what is that? What is that? Hit it. What a freaking shot. What a shot, man. Alright. I got this. Just see. How fun is that gravity? I want to see. Ooh, that's some pretty strong gravity right there. You can't go across that way. Alright, what I think I'm going to do is there is like an ice thing in there, right? So I'm going to use that. Oh, bah! Perfect! Dude, I am a genius. So hit this right there. What a freaking shot! What a freaking shot! Oh, you only got even one star. One star! Use Comet. Well, it's good. Aim for that! Two more things. I messed it up. I messed it up. Aim for that. Oh, I had it perfect. No, that's good. Are you kidding me? Only one more shot now. Hit! You gotta be kidding me! Alright, jeez, man. I can't do this! I can't do this! I had it perfect the first time, but I messed it up! Oh, ha, ha, ha. Yes! Oh, yes! It never gets him though. I don't know why. I'm gonna shoot here. Yes! up? Don't tell me that show up. Alright, I think that's gonna be it for this video. It's been 20 minutes long. Jeez, man, what are you doing? Alright, this has been HTC Bytes. I will see you later.